Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and today we're going to be unboxing my limited edition skincare Boxycharm box. So again, for those of you who don't know about Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription of beauty and skincare products for $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. So really great for makeup lovers and beginners alike. So if you do not have a subscription with them, I definitely recommend getting one. I will leave the link down in the description box below. And without further ado, if you would like to see what came in my limited edition box, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is my limited edition skincare Boxycharm box. It is separate from the regular subscription with Boxycharm. So it is an item that you do have to purchase on its own, and it is actually only available to those who are already subscribed with Boxycharm. And they are in limited quantities, so once they sell out, they're gone. So I was absolutely happy that I was able to get my hands on it. I believe it was $50, but you get, I think, over $300 worth of product in the box. So, I mean, why not? So let's go ahead and open the box. This is the inside. And as always, it's a little insert with all the items and a description along with the retail value of the product. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. First up, we have the Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. And I've never tried anything from this brand, so I'm very happy that I did get it in this box. I have been wanting to try their products out. So this is the packaging. I know my lights are kind of washing it out, but it has 2.5 fluid ounces. And the description goes, gently and visibly remove impurities and dullness from your skin with your new Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Created with enzymes from papaya and pineapple extracts, this peel gel promotes an even skin tone and boosts skin's elasticity with a super peptide complex. So, I'm getting older here, and I am super late to the game when it comes to skincare because I'm fine, it'll be okay, I'll take care of it later. No, take care of it now, but I'm super happy for this box. Like I said, I'm all for skincare products. And this item retails for $28. And I've received products from LMS in a previous Boxycharm box and also from Cosmetips beauty box. So if you haven't seen that unboxing, I'll go ahead and link that down below, as well as my unboxing for May's 2019 Boxycharm box. And I actually like the products from LMS. And the description for this is, wake up with glowing, healthy looking skin every single day thanks to the newest member of your nighttime skincare routine. The LMS Superfood Night Cream is packed with superfood lipids, chia black seed, rice bran, and flaxseed oils that work all night long to keep your complexion intensely hydrated. The concentrated super grain complex replenishes your skin's barrier for a way smoother and way softer skin, and this retails for $45. So I'm super happy to have this in my box. My skin's been a little dry lately, so I'll be happy to go ahead and put some moisture back in while I'm sleeping. All right, next up is this Glam Glow Super Serum. And we've been receiving quite a few items from Glam Glow, which I'm actually very happy about. I love Glam Glow products. This is the packaging here, and it has 1 ounce. And the description goes, the new Glam Glow Super Serum works to instantly clarify pores and plump fine lines. Powered by activated charcoal to refine pores and the Super 6 Acid Blend, a high-potency complex of exfoliating HAAs, BHA, and PHA. It works on different layers of the skin to loosen dead skin cells, promote cell renewal, and even the look of dull skin, tone, and texture. Perfect, because my skin has been struggling with texture right now, So I need to definitely get that under control. And this retails for $65. Okay, so next up we have these two Glow Recipe Watermelon Sheet Masks. I absolutely love sheet masks. I love to leave them in the fridge and then put them on so it has a more cooling effect on my skin and just kind of wakes my skin up. So the description for these are hydrate, brighten, and soften your skin with a sheet mask literally like no other. Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Sheet Mask gets its jelliness and amino acid goodness from a blend of watermelon extract and natto gum. So super excited to go ahead and try these out. I haven't tried anything from this brand as well, and I've been wanting to, so I'm happy to see this in the box. And these retail for $16. Okay, next up is a product that I've been wanting to get my hands on, but I just always forget or just don't end up getting it for whatever reason. Although I'm a little surprised, which I'm sure a lot of other people were as well, to see this in the box because it's not a skincare product, which I'm surprised simply for the fact that this brand itself does have skincare products in its line, but I'm so happy nonetheless because, like I said, I've been wanting to get my hands on it, and it is the Farsali Jelly Beam Highlighter, and I got the shade Rose Gold. So this is 0.5 fluid ounces, and the description goes, you're definitely ready for this jelly. Your new Farsali Jelly Beam Highlighter applies as a gel and sets as a powder, always delivering a high shine finish. The concentrated pigment makes this product really versatile, letting you customize your glow. And I'm sure you all have seen what this looks like. So as you can see, it's a jelly. Like it says, it's supposed to blend out to a powder finish. So let's take a look. Oh, that's nice. I'm sure I could intensify it a little bit more by putting more on. I just put like the tiniest bit, but that is really pretty. I'm actually really going to love using this highlighter. And this retails for $40. So next up we have this Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil. And I don't think I've tried anything from this brand either, so I'm super happy to see this in the box. This is the packaging, and this comes with 5.1 fluid ounces. And the description goes, it's time to break up with clogged pores. Your new Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil gently kicks out the makeup, impurities, and environmental toxins that are living in and on your skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. The restorative antioxidants brighten your complexion, leaving behind an even skin tone and a very soft surface. So I am looking forward to giving this a try. And this retails for $32. Next up, we have this Cosmetic Jade Roller. Now, I do not plan on keeping this simply because I do have a roller already, not from this brand, but from a different brand. So I do want to go ahead and put this in a giveaway for you guys. But the description for this goes, the tool your skin routine has been missing. The Jade Crystal Facial Roller takes your skincare products to another level. By helping boost circulation and pushing your skin to absorb your products better, you'll experience a visible change in your skin's glow, your dark circles, and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So basically, all you do is just go ahead and roll this on your face after you've put on like a serum, or even after a mask, after you remove it and have all that product left on your face. You can just go ahead and rub this to go ahead and push it into your skin further. And then, of course, this is for around your eyes. So like I said, I will be putting this in a giveaway for you guys. And this retails for $32. And last but not least, we have this Kudali Grape Water. And this was actually a variation. It was between this and I believe some makeup wipes. And I wanted the spray, so I'm actually really happy this is what came in my box. It has 2.5 fluid ounces. And the description goes, extracted from French grapes, your new Kudali organic grape water helps increase hydration and reduce redness. Safe for sensitive skin, the fragrance and preservative-free mist can be used as a toner, giving your skin lots of soothing, moisturizing love. I love facial mist, so I was really happy to get this in my box, and this retails for $10. Alright guys, that is everything that I received in my limited edition skincare box. I am super pleased with all the products that I received. So definitely, if you are not subscribed with Boxycharm and would like to purchase any future of their limited edition boxes that they do come out with, because I believe this is the second or third, I'm not quite sure, limited edition box that they come out with. They are only available to subscribers, so make sure you are subscribed. Again, the link will be down in the description box below. If you did purchase the skincare box, leave a comment down below which were your absolute favorite products in the box and which ones you could have done without. And if you like videos like this one, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, just leave any comments down below as far as what you would like to see next on my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.